Speaker of the Parliament of Somaliland expressed his government's desire for Ethiopia's Office of Commerce in Geeska to be upgraded into a consulate. The Speaker, Abdurrahman Mohammed Abdullahi, made the statement here today while conferring with President Girmal de Giorgis. Nasru Jamal reports.
Abdurrahman Mohammed Abdullahi is on an official working visit here, accompanied by his deputy, leaders of the governing and opposition parties, as well as chairpersons of Parliament standing committees. According to a high government official who attended the conference between President Girma and members of the Somaliland delegation, the two sides exchanged views on wide-ranging issues of common interest. Abdullahi proposed to President Girma that Ethiopia's Office of Commerce in Hargeisa be upgraded into a consulate. Abdullahi on the occasion noted that the long-standing mutual relationship between the peoples of Ethiopia and Somaliland has been gaining momentum over recent years. He said flights of the Ethiopian Airlines to Hargeisa and Ethiopia's use of the Berbera port have contributed significantly to the enhancement of the relationship. According to Abdullahi, Ethiopia and Somaliland share the most secure common border in the Horn of Africa region, and this has contributed considerably to the peaceful movement and interaction of people along the border.
We have discussed also the security of our border with Ethiopia, and I think the Somaliland border with Ethiopia, we feel it is the most safest border Ethiopia has with any of its neighbors.
Abdullahi said the governing party of Somaliland and opposition parties that have seats in the parliament are currently working together harmoniously for the common good of the nation. President Girma said during the discussions that parliaments of the two countries can learn a lot from each other. He said the visit of the Somaliland delegation would further strengthen existing relations.
Speaker of the House of People's Representatives, Ambassador Teshome Toga, said Ethiopia is desirous to further strengthen its bilateral relations with the Somaliland. Yodit Admasu takes up in our story.
While conferring today with a parliamentary delegation led by Speaker of the Somaliland Parliament, Abdurrahman Mohammed Abdullahi, Ambassador Teshome said the two countries have been enjoying excellent relations in trade, air transport, seaports and infrastructure and security fields. Ambassador Teshome Toga said the Ethiopian Parliament is desirous to further bolster the existing multifaceted relations between Ethiopia and Somaliland. The Somaliland Parliament has demonstrated readiness to draw lessons from its Ethiopian counterpart, Ambassador Teshome said, and expressed the House's readiness to share its experiences on parliamentary structures and procedures. Ambassador Teshome recalled on the occasion that visits and experience-sharing forums have been held previously by the executive bodies. Ambassador Teshome on the occasion expressed the Ethiopian Parliament's deep appreciation and concern for the people and administration of the Somaliland. The Speaker also briefed the delegation on the self-defensive measures Ethiopia has taken over the extremist force that had been sheltered in Somalia. Speaker of the Somaliland Parliament, Abdurrahman Mohammed on his part, said the discussions held with Ethiopian parliaments were both constructive and fruitful. He said the two parliaments have reached an agreement on ways of cementing strong relations in the future.